Hi, I'm gonna show you how to change the belt and repair part for the Southland walk behind trimmer with a 22-inch, brand new, folks. I'm gonna show you how to install awesome wheel attachment plate. There's gonna be a third wheel. This 4 screw right here. Just take it out, remove it. I already loosen it up to save time. There you go. We're gonna replace this original screw. It's 1/2 inch by 1 1/4 inch long. Same thread. So we can mount awesome wheel underneath it. Okay, you remove the nose. Here is your belt. If part are broke in there, or you need to remove the belt, you need to remove the 2 bolts right here and 2 in the back. Remove them. Now you can lift the whole engine out. You can pull the engine out, so you can reach inside and replace the part in there, the clutch, the spring. Okay, see the 3 bolts right here? That to bolt the spin assembly to the frame. So we're gonna remove the 3 bolts. And then you just loosen it up because it's loose. So you can remove this bolt right here. There's a washer, and just lift it out. Take it out of the belt. There's another washer right here. Now you can lift it up a little bit. See, you can remove the whole spindle out. Just leave it down here. Now just lay it down now. The next thing you do is remove the 4 bolt to hold the guard, the plastic guard. Actually, another bolt up here, 5 of them, that hold the plastic guard to the frame. Okay, we're gonna put them back and install awesome wheel on it. So I did get a string, a tie wrap. I go through this just to tie them to keep the plastic and the aluminum plate together. And I put the 2 screws on the top. Put it in first. Remember, and put my finger here to hold it like this, and align where the hole is. Just screw them in, let them bite, and do the same thing to the other hole, the top 2 holes. The other 2 bottom hole, bolt in. Make sure you tighten it up with the wrench, secure it. right? Now we're going to install the spinning assembly. Load the machine down and just move it over the leg. Okay. The 3 bolts. The nuts go on top. Just align it. Now see it tight to hold on to the belt so it will not come off from the pulley inside. If it come off, just time to put the belt back on the pulley groove. Alright, the next thing you do, put a washer on it, put the pulley on it, and put another washer on it. Now I can remove my string. Put it now. Just put the belt on one side and just spin it. See? Now put the nut on it. Okay. Next thing you do is put the caster wheel on awesome wheel. And here we go. It's done. On third wheel. See how much clearance you have, and the spin head not touching the ground, so we will not damage it. I can move it one hand. Move so easy, move. Thank you for watching.